Playhouse Incorporated SK bloopers. Now take one. Cut. Why are you VFDM? It's not going to be called VFDM. It's supposed to be called Wafflecake Playhouse Incorporated SK. Take two. Cut. Wait, that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that called? It's called Kind Master. Okay. It's a pentagon. You're not allowed to use a pentagon. You're supposed to use it normal, okay? Oops, sorry about that. Alright, take 3. Go. Cut. It's not gonna be called Splat from Class Geek Super. It's not supposed to have the Class Geek Super eyes and the Class Geek Super mouth. It's supposed to show a face of a waffle. Whoops, sorry about that. Take 4. Cut. It's not gonna be called Fire G major 2. It's supposed to be called Wafflecake Playhouse Incorporated SK. Whoops, sorry about that. Take 5. Cut. Why is it cold? Why is it cold right now? You're not allowed to put it. Why did you put it in cold? Whoops, sorry about that. Take 6. That's good. Now I can try this again. I got to sneeze. I got to sneeze. Now let's try this again. Cut. Why did you put fire? Jacket jellyfish effect. Whoops, sorry about that. Alright, take 7.
What does no sound mean? What does
Cut. You're not allowed to have no voice. You're supposed to use your own voice. Got it? Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take 8. Wow!
Don't let your kids watch it before you know.
Cut. Why did you bring out Raps and Robin? It's not gonna be called Raps and Robin from Lazy Town. It's gonna be called Wafflecake Playhouse Incorporated SK. Why did you bring up the Class Geek supporter? Whoops, sorry about that. Alright. Now we going to do the last one. But this is your warning, Wafflecake Playhouse. What is it? If you screw up again, then you're fired. And don't bring up the Viacom VF Doom. Cut. That's it. Wafflecake Playhouse Incorporated SK. You're fired. Get out of the studio right now. I don't want to hear another word from you ever. And don't bring up the Class Geek Suppo Voco Deed. Or Voco Dead, I mean. I could pronounce it, but I can't now. Oh, dang it, I'm fired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more logo bloopers. See you next time. Peace out, homies.